In this tutorial, I'll show you how to publish a draft listing on Etsy in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. A draft listing is a product you've saved but not yet made visible to buyers. Publishing it makes it live in your shop. Now, if you want to publish a draft listing on Etsy, here's what to do. Start by logging into your account on Etsy and opening your shop manager. This is where all your listings are stored. Next, go to the listing section and find your drafts. This is where all your unpublished listings are saved. After that, open the draft listing you want to publish and review the details to make sure everything is complete. Now, click the Publish button. This will make your listing live and visible to buyers immediately. Then, confirm if prompted, since publishing a listing may include a listing fee. That's it. Your draft listing is now active and available in your shop, ready for customers to find and purchase.